Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find filters on the IbisPaint X application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, I open the application on your device. That's my canvas, and you can find the toolbar at the left side of the screen. If you want to add different filters or just see what have the application, click the filter button under the lasso, click that, and you can find different. You can find history, theme, adjust color, blur, style, draw, and just select one and hit done. Select and click to the OK button at the right side of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.